So in the last video, we built the UI for our app. We went from an idea to a working dashboard. But right now, it's still just a UI. Now let's turn this into a real product. Let me create a new session for setting up the database. I'll start by writing a prompt. So in this prompt, I'm defining exactly what we want the database to handle. We're storing tasks, notes, and daily logs with proper fields for each. And most importantly, each user will have their own data, so everything is linked to the authenticated user. We're also adding full Sarud functionality, so we can create, read, update, and delete data. And finally, we're connecting everything to the UI, so actions actually save data and persist after refresh. Before running this, let me switch the model. I'll go with Claude Sonnet 4.6. Now let's run it. While this is being implemented, Ideavo is not just connecting a database. It's actually structuring the backend for the app. So it understands how tasks, notes, and logs should be stored, and connects everything with the UI. This is where things start becoming more than just a front end. So here it's asking which database provider to use. I'll go with Neon. It also asks if we want some sample data. I'll enable that as well. And now I'll submit this. Here it's asking for permission to access the environment file. I'll allow it for once, so the app can securely use the required configuration. All right, the database has been set up successfully. Let's take a look at it. From the dashboard, we can directly access the Neon database, which is really convenient. Let's check some tables, like notes, tasks, and users. Right now, we only have a couple of tables. Since authentication hasn't been implemented yet, we'll connect that in the next step. Now, let's go back to the app and test if everything is working. I'll try adding a task. And there it is. It's getting added. If I mark it as complete, that's working as well. Now let's try notes. Great. I'm able to add notes too. Now that the database is set up, let's add authentication and connect it to users. I'll create a new session for this and start by writing a prompt. So in this prompt, I'm defining the complete authentication flow. We're adding sign-up, login, and logout, maintaining sessions so users stay logged in after refresh. We're also restricting access, so only authenticated users can use the app. And after login, users will be redirected to the dashboard. Most importantly, we're structuring this in a way that it connects with our existing database, so each user can have their own tasks, notes, and logs, and making sure that nothing breaks in the current setup. Now let's run this. Here it's asking for permission to access the environment file. I'll allow it for once, so the app can securely use the required configuration. All right, authentication has been implemented. Let's go to the homepage and check if everything is working. I'll click on Sign In. Looks like the Sign In button isn't connected properly. Let me fix this by writing a quick prompt. All right, that's fixed. Now let's go back to the homepage. We can see the dashboard in the nav bar. Let me click on it. It looks like the dashboard is accessible without signing in. Let me fix this as well. Now let's try again. I'll go to the homepage. and click on Get Started to create an account. And there we go. Authentication is working properly. Now let's open the dashboard. And here, I can see my name in the user section. So in this video, we added a database, implemented authentication, and connected everything together. Now users can sign up, log in, and manage their own data. So this is no longer just a UI. It's a real working product. In the next video, we'll take this one step further and actually deploy this app. See you in the next one.